Hi guys, what's up? This is Raffo, and for my first video of my English channel, I would like to record only a TD5 pure sound engine. Today, with this special device called Nanocom, I would like to go inside the ECU of the car in order to give some more power, more horsepower, so I can record this video and why not, drive a little bit fast. Let's go. Wow. Maybe looks I'm going too fast, but I assure you that is maybe 50 kilometers per hour. Okay. The increase of the power is so special, guys. So special. I really feel the power. It pushes me on the seat. What the hell? I'm drifting, guys. What the hell? So power. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, I can turn this one. So many smokes, guys. Wow. Wow. I can do it, I can do it. What the hell, I gotta go backwards a bit. Woo. Come on. Come on. Yes! I did it! So powerful, guy. So powerful. Oh! What the hell? We got a tree. Okay. I can go through. Yeah, okay. We got snow here. What the? This is tough, guys. I think I gotta go out of the corner. Yeah, from here. Yeah, here it's easy. Okay. Wow. Wow. I can see from the diagnostic device I have the temperature of the refrigerator system, so in order to not to wreck the engine, and this allows me to not to break the car. Wow, guys, special path. It's so hurtful. Come on, I'm tired. Wow. Okay, I don't think I can go ahead because I can see we have so many ice and the path is covered by the snow. So I think this is the finish. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys, that was awesome. Awesome, really. It's so cold out there, but I'm so sweat. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please thumbs up and share it. And if you wanna to subscribe on my channel, you will help me to increase my new English channel. Hope to see you soon, and bye.
Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100. It's all that I wanted, but lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed.